Hey family, this week's video was requested by one of you guys, so I'm going to show you how to make this delicious burger. I started off by toasting my buns in some melted butter. Then I add oil to the pan and cooked these Morningstar Farms veggie meat lover patties. Cook them according to your package's directions. Then I season the patty with some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and this mixed grill seasoning I found at Aldi. Once your patty is done, you want to add some cheese. Then I added a little bit of water to produce steam, and then I put the lid on it to help the cheese melt. Once the cheese is melted, you can go ahead and remove it from the pan. And now it's time to make the caramelized onions and mushrooms. To your pan, you want to add some butter, the onions, and the mushrooms. Make sure that your heat is not turned up too high because you don't want them to burn. You want them to cook slowly. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt as well as some garlic powder. We're going to let these cook very slowly. While they're cooking, we're going to make our sauce. So you're going to take some vegan mayo and put it in a bowl. And then you're going to add some sriracha. Give this mixture a little stir, and that's basically it. You can add more or less sriracha or mayo depending on how you like it. Please do not forget about your onions and mushrooms over there cooking. You do not want them to burn. Do me a favor, while those onions are cooking, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Once they've reached your desired tenderness and color, you can go ahead and remove them from the pan. To assemble your burger, you can use whatever toppings you like. Here I'm using that sriracha mayo mix and I put it on the bottom bun. Next, I'm going to add my greens. I'm using baby spinach and arugula. Then I'm going to put some tomatoes on top, as well as my vegan patty with cheese. Now all I have to do is add those caramelized onions and mushrooms, and then I drizzle a little bit more of that sriracha mayo sauce right on top. Family, this burger turned out so bomb. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that when I post a new video next week, you'll be notified. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.